Arnhem, perched on the banks of the River Rhine, seamlessly weaves its rich past into a vibrant present. From its role as a Roman crossroads to the surviving fragments of medieval walls, history is alive around every corner. Though World War II left deep scars, the city has rebounded with remarkable spirit and purpose. Today, bustling streets welcome locals and visitors eager to explore Arnhem's many treasures. The lovingly restored Eusebius Church beckons climbers to its tower, where sweeping views reveal the city's lush green spaces. Sonsbeek Park, in particular, offers a peaceful retreat that sparks creativity and relaxation among families and artists alike. Throughout the year, Arnhem's calendar overflows with open-air concerts, art festivals, and thought-provoking museum exhibitions at venues like the Arnhem Museum and the Airborne Museum. Galleries throughout the city balance time-honored techniques with bold, contemporary visions, while restaurants and cafes celebrate Gelderland's fertile bounty with farm-to-table menus and freshly baked treats. Arnhem's academic institutions and conservatory foster lively discussions and melodic performances that echo across its squares. Architecturally, the city harmonizes classic facades with sleek modern buildings, and the Rheinkade waterfront promenade invites walkers and cyclists to linger at its lively terraces. Entrepreneurs thrive in local incubators and co-working spaces, and community initiatives champion inclusivity, sustainability, and green transport for future generations. Seasonal markets combine regional produce, and partnerships with sister cities enrich Arnhem's global outlook. Families cherish the safe and welcoming neighborhoods where children play in tree-lined streets and community centers. The city's resilience is testament to its citizens' determination to honor the past while nurturing innovation. Arnhem inspires visitors to engage with history, participate in cultural life, and contribute to a shared future. In every stone of its streets and every smile of its people, Arnhem celebrates life, unity, and the promise of tomorrow.